Hey guys, Ark here from Wikimedia with part 3. Took a little break from recording the other one because at the end of the other one I actually lost my voice, and that leads me to apologizing if I'm sort of slow. It's because I still have a fever from being sick. It's been like a week, like around two weeks, something like that, I don't know. And but I still have a fever. It's not going away. But anyway, let's get back to it. So now I'll maybe explain this in more detail. This is pretty obvious, but the body I'll go over more. So hello, and then username. So it'll say their username, as that is a valid variable that we have created in this page, and then /n, that means enter or return on your keyboard. Next line, two of those, and then some text, then two more of this /n, then the link, no space. Here I've put capitalized text in the files that I'm giving you guys, but make sure there's no spaces, and then and then I've left this at the end, so make sure there's no spaces at the end too. So just put the link to your activate.php, and if you change the directory of your activate.php, you have to update this as well, otherwise it won't work. And so what this does is it puts the code that was generated here, and then question mark code, which will create a, I guess it becomes a variable, but I don't know. And then we'll call on that in activate.php, and we'll use that information. So now we'll actually send the email, because this was just getting all the information into variables, so it's easier to manage. So if not mail, and then this. So the order of this is the to address, subject, the body, and then the from address. And then, so if it wasn't, if no, then it'll give us this error here, and otherwise it will begin to register into the database. So it'll actually input their account info into that database. So variable register equals Mysql query, insert into the login tut, because that's the name of our table. You can change this, but change the name of the table, but you have to make sure to change this name everywhere on every page that it occurs. So it could give you some problems, so I just suggest not doing it. So then this is the ID, and this is automatically generated, so you just put two single colons, and then username for the username, password for the password. Remember, we already encrypted this. And email for email, code for code, so that activate.php can figure out which account the activate page is for, and then active is automatically set to 0. and then you have been registered. Please check your email, and then to activate your account. So that's it. And then the form. So that's all for this file. Let's go to the next one, and so user area. So I have all this extra HTML here, as you may see, but that's not important. It was just to show that after these PHP tags, you can insert HTML, but it was sort of buggy. Don't know why. I haven't really worked with HTML in PHP files much, but anyway, what the code that you will have is right here, and then a link to login, logout, and then this is what you will need. This script will be necessary for you to have on every page that is user only. So include global.php. Then it'll check if they are logged in, and so if they're not, remember the exclamation mark. If they're not logged in, then it'll just forward them to index.php, because we don't want non-logged in people to be accessing the login only sections of your site. Now we'll look at activate.php. So I'll try to hurry up because maybe I can finish this all in this tutorial, in this part. So include global, then code, so that's the variable, and then is equal to the variable get code. This is stored in the actual address, the URL. So if not code, if there's no code, then echo no code supplied, because otherwise we would get some problems and all that. Else check Mysql query, select all from login to it, where code equals the code, and active is 1. If it is 1, then it'll say that they've already activated their hand. If not, it'll change it to 1. And logout is just session destroy, and then forward them to index.php. So that's all. So that's 3 parts. Not that complicated once you learn PHP a bit, and hopefully this has helped you guys. I'm going to try to get this posted today, and then I'll see about the giveaway. So this is about all the time I have, and please subscribe if you like it. See ya.